My name is Dr. Michael Marshall, and I'm a family medicine doctor. So I grew up in South Bend, Indiana, went to college in upstate New York at Cornell University and did some graduate work at Tulane in New Orleans. Then I went to medical school in Chicago. Found my way out to the Seattle area where I practiced medicine for about a decade before moving here. I look at family medicine as, it's kind of a broad approach to medical care. You're kind of a quarterback of the team for a patient, so to speak. You try to help facilitate all of their needs. You're there as kind of a counsel or there for companionship if they need someone to talk to and someone to help lead them to a specialist, and just a safe place for a patient to interact with you. I always knew once I went to medical school that I'd do something that kind of had a generalist approach. I liked pediatrics, emergency medicine, internal medicine, but family medicine is just kind of a good fit or good niche for me. I like clinics more than hospital setting, and I don't know, I just like meeting people of all ages, all backgrounds, and it's just a good fit for my personality. I try to inspire health in my patients by just hoping to be a good communicator with them and a good place, like a good listening board. Because a lot of times in health, there's just a need to talk through situations and times where there's a little bit of fear or uncertainty. And otherwise, I just like to be a little bit of a kind of a cheerleader, so to speak, for patients and look at the long haul, look at the big picture rather than, okay, from visit to visit, what's happening, more like, okay, what's our 5-year plan? And be realistic that every patient has other needs outside of their interactions with you as a doc, but also value that. So that's how I look at it. Yeah. My interests outside of medicine, or if I'm not at work, mostly involve time with my wife and 2 daughters. I also played tennis a lot as a child and other sports. I played collegiate tennis, so it's a big draw to South Carolina. There's such a nice area to play tennis. So those are kind of my passions, but mostly family at this stage of my life. To make an appointment with me, please call the number on this webpage.